garden. This is something I just quickly want to show everyone. I didn't plan to start gardening. In fact, I just posted a video showing the end of 2025, but I still do have it. I got a parcel today, and this is what I've been looking for. Last year I did not get this. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to show you. And what is this? Yes, I'm sure you can see this. This is ugu seed. This is fresh. I just got them. I don't know how to preserve this. If anybody knows, you can share with me. But for now, I'm going to just go ahead and plant this. I have luckily I have soil that I kept since last year, and potting soil, that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm back. So what I've done, I just had to wash it out. You can see now it's looking clean. This is ugu seed. You can see, and when you press the middle, it's hard. If it's soft, it might not be viable. So all these are good. I'm going to be planting them, and I have my potting soil already in the cup. So what I just do is already perforated at the bottom for easy drainage, and I use potting soil. I don't want to use the garden soil. This is potting soil. I just create a hole in the middle, and I'm going to put it in. When you're putting it in, this is the root. This is where the root starts from. You can see the shape. It's like a heart. So the flat one faces up, and this sharp one goes into the soil. That's where the root is going to germinate from. So I'm going to put it in and then cover it up. So that's what I'm going to do. It's only ugu that can make me do this at this time of the year. The temperature outside today is about double digits. I'm not very sure. I didn't check today, but it's very cold, and we have a lot of snow outside. So for me to start this, I've never tried this at this time of the year. So I'm putting one in each of the cups. Let me just put this by the side. So in each of the cups, I'm putting just one. So I have 30 cups, about 30 cups here. So, and when you plant them, make sure you put in a warm place. We don't want this to rot. In fact, when I was cleaning, I saw some maggot, but it doesn't matter. I've removed the viable ones. These ones are good. So hopefully I'm going to keep you updated as I do this. So just follow me, and I'll let you know the update. So this is different for me. Titi's garden, I'm actually starting in December. Very, very rare, but I just want this December 28th. So we're starting ugu, and you know the funny thing about ugu, anytime I start inside, it does very well, but once I transplant it outside, it just shrinks and it stops growing. So I intend to just grow this for indoors. I'm not going to transplant them outside. Anything I can harvest from here is what I'm going to harvest. So you can see how much I have left. I'll keep this probably in the fridge. I'll let you know probably later in summer if it survives. If not, at least I have this for now. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 cups. So finger crossed. I'll put the seed in. I'm just going to cover it up. And one thing about ugu, it likes water, not too wet and not too dry. For germination, at least the next 5 days, I'm going to keep it in my greenhouse. I've already set that up. Probably move them to a bigger cup later on, and I'll let you know the update. Just follow Titi's garden. Don't forget to share. So this is my greenhouse. I'm going to be putting them in the greenhouse and cover it up. And before you put it, I have this is my heat mat. Let me just drop this first. So you need a heat mat to keep it warm, because it's actually cold. This is my laundry room, and this is what I converted to my greenhouse, but I'm going to cover it with this, and I'm going to be closing this just to give it as much warmth as possible. So it's going to stay this way till I'm going to be checking on it from time to time. So they're all in now, so you'll be getting the feedback probably in another 5 days. I'll let you know the update. Fingers crossed. I hope this comes up successful this year. Thank you everyone for tuning in. See you another time. Happy New Year in advance. Bye.